Hey, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
We would like to know about Volkswagen car, its fuel efficiency and suitability for Indian conditions, for the Indian market.
First of all, this is a Vento, and the car was totally designed for the Indian roads and for the Indian needs of the customer. And of course, fuel efficiency is also a big point, where you not only need to have a good fuel efficient engine, but also, and this is the most important point, the driver is the most important factor for saving fuel. And here we have the best example that what a driver with a smart mind and with a light foot on the gas pedal is able to achieve as mileage in the cars.
Oh, very correct, Mr. Alexander. It's been a pleasure driving this car, and I'm proud of the German technology which has helped me achieve all this. Without the technological backup, only with the skill of the driver, it is very difficult to achieve anything.
Yeah.
So the technology itself has been a big boost for me to attempt the Limca Book of Record, which I've achieved. And now I'm going on to the Guinness World Record, all with the backing of Volkswagen.
And I wish you all the best, and seeing we have a very strong team with an excellent driver and together with an excellent car. All the best for you.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.